Guys, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are you doing? Today, tea time. Hope you guys great. Thank you for permission. Let's see. That's something coming up. See, family of two, like I said, homework. Family of two. Which you can see, in drive time and tea time on the 7th. That is the date. On the 7th, came back finally. See? So if you guys are part of the people who won for tea time, just put it on the comment section if you follow this strategy. I told you this strategy work at tea time and drive time only. If you want to start winning one number and bonus, two number and bonus, this is the time. Okay, so now see what happened. Right? See what happened. Let me let you know what I won. Okay, I won 12 bonus, 32 number. I told you guys that those bonuses that you're going to get is same bonuses you use to mix and play them with numbers. Play them as numbers, play them as bonus. You mix them till you use everyone to pair, to pair them together. Then you are done. Also, let me shock you guys. I also win 12, 19 for family of 9. Despite this one, this drive time was family of 9. Okay, this drive time was family of 9. So I finally I collected this as well. Okay, so that is what I'm explaining. See, according to my explanation, it comes. All right, and also this gonna apply for tomorrow as well. You see, this strategy is a new strategy which I believe no one has seen this coming. I'm telling you the truth, no one has seen this coming. Sometimes you don't even need to want to do your plus and minus like just the way we do code number and all that. Sometimes you just need to just think outside the box. So which is what I'm doing, and I've been using it to win even before bringing it out for you guys to share with you guys. You see, so now this I will be doing is going to be for lunchtime and tea time, also for on the 8th. Okay, this I will be doing for on the 8th, which is today. Okay, that is what I'm doing now. So guys, I'll keep doing this strategy until when you guys follow it, understand it, and I see it in the comment section that you guys are understanding it and you are winning from it. Then I can move to the second stage of this time, because I'm very happy they even bring this drive time and tea time, because I'm almost running out of ideas and strategies since when this thing started. You see, okay, so now let's get into it. I'm still gonna do same thing like I told you guys. What you need to do, family of 2. Now you see this is family of 2 now. Okay, same like the one I show you on the 6th tea time that play on the 7th tea time. Now it's same way I'm gonna do it. Okay, family of 2, 42, family of 2, 12. So now I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna twist them. That is what I do. That is why I get family of 2. Instead of 42, I'm going to make it 24. You see, so now we're not going to use family of 2 on this. We're going to use family of 4 on this one. We're going to use family of 1 on this one. You see the strategy I'm trying to pull out. So that is what we're gonna do. Okay, but in some other way, family of two can still play, but I don't know. Maybe it's from tea or it's from drive time. You see, or because the family of two also, don't be surprised, it can also come in lunch and or bunch time tomorrow. Sorry, on the 8th. Okay, so but for me, this is how I've been doing it, and I've been getting that one number and bonus, two number and bonus always. So this is what I'm gonna do. So let's begin. So I'm gonna do like this, family of one, which is one. Mind you guys, I said this is for today on the 8th, okay, which is Monday. So I'm using this family of one. I'm taking one at the back, making 21. So I'm using this family of one, which is 21. Okay. So I'm gonna say one bonus 11 bonus, then 21 bonus 41, then 31. I almost forget 31. Good. You see, now in this 42, what we are doing is family of 4. We are turning it to the other side, which is 24. 24. Okay, you see, so that gives a family of 4. Now we'll come with what? We say 4, 14, 24, 34, 44. Yeah, see, so this is our second batch. Oh, but I did a mistake. I was supposed to use another ink today. Yeah, this is our first part 1. Then this is our part 2. Okay, so now for those who are still wondering how does this work based on my explanation, guys, I'm still going to explain again. Like I said, I'm going to do same strategy of this video for complete 3 or 4 days till I see people start telling me they're winning something. Then I can believe they understand the strategy now of what I'm doing. Okay, so now let me repeat myself again on how you can play a game like this, because this is part 1, this is part 2. Based on brunch time is down, drive time is down, tea time is up. Okay, so on this situation, you gonna rub everything together. Okay, but first of all, you start from the brunch time. Okay, you can say 4 bonus 14 number. You see, then 4 bonus 24 number. You see, then you can say 4 bonus what means 34 number. You see what I'm saying now? Then you come here, said 4 bonus 44 number. You understand what I'm trying to say? So now you see you finish first line, which is first line give you 1, 2, 3, 4 tickets. Even if you play 1 round, it's 4 round. You see, you don't spend anything. Now you will go do same thing on 14. 14 bonus 4 numbers. 14 bonus, 24 numbers, 14 bonus, 34 numbers, 14 bonus, 44 numbers. Then you leave there, you go to 24. 24 bonus, 4 numbers. 24 bonus, 14 numbers. 24 bonus, 34 numbers. 24 bonus, 44 numbers. You leave, you enter also 34. 34 bonus, 44 numbers. 34 bonus, 4 numbers. 34 bonus, 14 numbers. 34 bonus, 24 numbers. You can see, so till you come to the last one here, which is 44. 44 bonus, 4 numbers. 44 bonus, 14 numbers. 44 bonus, 24 numbers. 44 bonus, 34 numbers. Then you know you are done. So if you calculate now all these numbers, which you know each numbers here gives you 4 numbers, 4 numbers, 4 tickets, 4 tickets. If you say this to give you what? 8 tickets. This to give you 8 tickets. 8 plus 8 is what? Is 16. 16 tickets, now up to 20 rand if you use a 1 rand play. Then plus 4 tickets, again, it give you 22 tickets, which is 22 rand. These are for people that don't have much money to spend. If you say want to use 22 rand, which is 2 rand more money, it give you 44 rand. You see, same thing you apply to this one as well. Same thing you apply to this as well. This one's same thing you apply to this one, which it can give you also 22 tickets, which is 22 rand. That is if you don't have money. You understand what I'm trying to say now? So now, in situation like this, for me, I also, which is it's advisable, okay, it's going to give you much ticket, but you're going to win something, which you can cover times 4, 5, 6 of that money you use to play that ticket. For me, what I do, I also use each numbers on a launch. Listen carefully. I use each number in, sorry, not launch, each number on tea time. I use all of them as a bonus to play drive time. Then I use this drive time number, I use it as numbers. I use the tea time one as bonus. Then I also do same thing. I use all the drive time bonus. I use it as a bonus and play tea time. These numbers as just plain numbers. That is what I do. You understand? Because with that, I can also get from there. You understand? So it's a simple logic. Even if you do this one like this is going to give you, if it's 100, it's going to give you 10 tickets. You understand? So it's up to how you want to play it, but this is a good strategy, I can tell you, because this strategy you can't pick one number, or you can't guarantee of one number coming out as a bonus. But the main thing is that if you are playing this game, you have to play it. You have to play it lunchtime and on the tea time. I mean, sorry, you have to play it drive time and tea time. That is how you can get something, because this number comes in both ways, not just only one side. Alright guys, if this is your first time coming across this channel, can you please hit this subscription button, click this notification bell, so that anytime I drop this video, you will be the first to know. Anyway, for those who will be asking what dates is this prediction, this prediction is going to be on the 8th. It's on the 8th. It's on the 8th. 2026. Alright. Yeah. That is the date. Okay. This is the prediction for this day. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.